Guys, today we're in Chattanooga. We're going to spend the day at Lookout Mountain. We're staying at the Hampton Inn by Hilton, and we're going to give you a tour of our room and a tour of the hotel. The Hampton Inn is just a short drive from many of the area attractions, including Rock City, Ruby Falls, and the Incline Railway. Picture of the valley this morning as the sun's rising from our hotel. The map shows the area where we're located. We were on a bus trip with Jefferson Tours and Charters, and we went to a lot of the area attractions in Chattanooga. This is just a quick look at the breakfast area. Breakfast was included with our stay, as well as free Wi-Fi. We were pleased with their breakfast. They seem to have a good variety of choices. The front desk was open 24 hours a day. There was also a place where you could get treats and food. That was also open 24 hours a day. And what we loved is they gave us treat bags, which had apples and peanut butter. It even had dog treats that you could get for free. They also had a good variety of games available that you could use during your stay. They had fruit juice and fruit. They also had hard-boiled eggs, omelets, sausage, bacon, hash browns, all the stuff that you love to eat for breakfast. We have never seen places that have different flavored waffle batter, so we thought that was pretty unique. Oatmeal, yogurt, cold cereal, they had it all. Now for our room tour. We stayed on the 4th floor.
They ruined the video.
We had a standard room with 2 double beds. Got my name on the TV. Welcome, Terri. I don't know why it's in my name. This is closet and bathroom. Dispensers, tub, shower. Hair dryer, towels. There was an ice machine just down the hall, so everything was very convenient. Now let's take a look at the fitness center. It was open 24 hours a day, and I have to say, this was one of the best fitness centers that we've seen in a hotel. They had everything that you can think of and then some. There's no excuse not to work out with a fitness center this nice. The indoor pool. It's nice that they have both. When the other one's closed, too cold. We always like to do hotel reviews wherever we stay because when people are traveling to the area, they need to know what good places there are to stay. And Hampton was good. Outdoor pool, which is closed for the season. It's really nice. Too bad it was off season because this was a really nice pool. If you would like to check out our Chattanooga adventures, click the playlist that just popped up on your screen.